Hey, what up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something different. We're going to be working on my F150. It's my 97 F150. It's a V6. I know it's a bad engine, but we're going to put these LED light bar that I got at eBay. It's called 60 dual row LED. So I also got some switches right here, but I won't be using these right now. This is a 19mm push-on push-off switch, because inside my truck I used to have different switches that I kind of messed up, which is right here, but this is a while back, so I'm gonna use this for, I'm gonna use both of these. I'm gonna use one for a light bar and one for my fog lights, and we're gonna probably try installing the light bar right in here. Hopefully from the back I can access it down here in this hole, so it kind of fills up nicely. I don't want to put it down here. There's oil cooler and different kind of cooler, and up here I don't want to kind of eliminate the brightness by hiding it behind a grill. So let's try to put it in here and see and see the difference. Alright, this is removed. Here is the access I have from the top. I might have to either remove the grille and the headlights and whatever this is called, header panel or whatever, or I might just try to access it from the bottom, because I want to be able to drill into a header panel right there. So let me think about it and we'll be back. Alright, let me show you what I'm working with. This is actually perfect. I removed this plastic trim, just fold it back, so now I have access to the bottom of the grill where I want to put the LED light bar. So it should stay somewhat like right here, and I think it's doable. Let's see how it looks from outside. Alright, this is what I have in mind. Currently it's not straight, but I think is the best position for it. I think I like the way it sits, so I'm just gonna go ahead and see how I can make the brackets up there. Let's see the reflection. Not bad. I mean, you can see it. Super bright. So here's the LED bar, and this is what I decided. I'm gonna bolt it right to the rail there, and if you can see it, maybe on this side you can see better, right there. So what I did is I made these kind of like a Z brackets that I'm gonna attach. I'm gonna attach this, and then I'll show you how it looks. Alright, at the end I ended up taking the grill. I should have done this on the first time I did this, but what I'm planning to do is I'm gonna have these bad boys like right here, and they're gonna elevate that light bar up here, and same thing up here. So I know where the light bar needs to sit, so I'll just go ahead and modify that. Alright, I hope this makes sense what I mean with the Z brackets. So now they're gonna sit on that rail, and it's pretty much adjustable back and forth because I have this 2 holes. So let's just install it and see what's up. Alright, so I have my brackets bolted up from both sides, as well on this side. So this is where I want the light bar to sit. So next thing what I want to do is I'm going to have to remove this nut and this nut in order to install the grill because of this, so just be aware of that. And assemble her back together, see how she looks. Alright, the LED light bar is installed. It looks really good, like it belongs there. The brackets are pretty strong, durable, and I paint them black so that way they don't rust. So next thing is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wire everything up. The wiring is done. Alright, I'm gonna run it from battery through here, comes out through here, conjunction is in here, and then goes back inside the cab through there. And if you want to see how I did this, here are my two relays. All has been kind of like wrapped into a factory looking. I still have to like zip tie this one, but you won't be able to notice that it was ran. I'm also gonna have to kind of clean up some other wirings that I had for HIDs, but that's gonna come later once I install the HID projectors in these. Alright, so let's see how we do and if the light is any good. Alright, here's everything connected. It's pretty bright. And these are the Fusion headlights. I also installed this on my channel. You can see the projection on them, but you'll see them at night better once I compare these. Alright, off to the desert. And then here we go, the light bar. Along with the headlights, I'm gonna get out. As you can see, it's pretty bright and far out too. I don't know if the camera is gonna do it justice, but she is bright. Alright, here's another view, kind of walking away from the truck, and it's super bright all the way around. There's no other lights except the truck's light bar, and you can see how bright it is. Well, like I always say, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.